Let's learn some English through a fun supermarket shopping conversation. Excuse me, where are the fruits?
Hello. The fruits are over there, next to the vegetables.
Oh, thanks. I'll start with the fruits. I'll have 6 apples, please.
Of course. Would you like red apples or green apples?
I think I'll go for the red ones today.
Great choice. Anything else you'd like to get from the fruit section?
Yes, I'll have some bananas as well. Maybe a bunch of 6.
Sure. Anything else?
I'll also have some oranges. How much is a kilo?
Oranges are £2.50 per kilo.
I'll take half a kilo, please. Do you have any fresh tomatoes?
Got regular tomatoes and cherry tomatoes. Which one would you like?
I'll have the regular ones. How much is it per kilo?
It's £1.80 per kilo.
Great! I'll take 1 kilo, please. And I also need some potatoes. How much is a bag?
A 2-kilo bag of potatoes is £3.
I'll take 1 bag, thank you. I'd like to buy some orange juice. Do you have any recommendations?
Yes, we've got freshly squeezed juice, and we also have bottled juice. The fresh one is £3.50, and the bottled one is £2.
I'll have the fresh one. And do you have any water bottles?
Yes, we've got still water and sparkling water. The still water is £1.20 for a 1.5 litre bottle, and the sparkling water is £1.50.
I'll take 2 bottles of still water, please. I think I'm all set now. How much do I owe you?
Let me check. You've got 6 apples, a bunch of bananas, half a kilo of oranges, 1 kilo of tomatoes, a 2-kilo bag of potatoes, 1 bottle of fresh orange juice, and 2 bottles of still water. Your total comes to £18.50.
Alright, I'll pay by card.
Perfect. Just tap your card here.
Done. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Have a great day, and enjoy your shopping.
Thank you, you too. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this conversation, please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next English lesson.